really thick density. So I might like to get a little bit more than usual because I'm gonna do like a roses right here. So I'm gonna place this right here. Does you see that the big first? I mean the big glob, whatever you call. And no wet top coat. Just a little bit right on the top. Close, make sure you always close this when you're working with the clients or yourself. Don't get too excited and leave the cap up because it will kill yours. Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna do 3 flowers.
Should I?
Probably.
Let's get the exotic nails. Why don't I just do 1 flower? I have 1 flower right there.
Where's the fun in that?
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I want this on my nails.
You might want to put a pearl there though, instead of crystal. White pearl? Pop out a lot more.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you keep telling me what to do? You should doing it. Oh yeah, he's right. Okay, I'll give you a credit for it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I'm like a really good backseat driver to tell you what to do, and it looks good because I'm good.
Make sure you get a good helmet on it because you don't want to kick you off from the. You get a good helmet and then your gear, because if you keep talking like that, you will be kicked off on the motorcycle. You said you're riding in the back.
Mm-hmm. It's called backseat driver. We sit in the back and we tell you how to drive.
Yeah. Make sure I told you you got good gears.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Dom, how are you? It looks so weird under the camera. It looks so a big blob of something, but it's so gorgeous. It's like 3 roses. Okay, hold on. Can I get a background in the back one? So now, before you do anything else, wanna flash key it really quick. Make sure your LED, your condensed glue gel is not right here underneath of my LED lights. You do not want it. I'm telling you, you don't want to key it. Here, let's see. Just quick look. Can you see?
Yeah.
Now it looks good.
Lower.
All right. Can you zoom that one in? It looks like it's too far away.
Oh, zoom.
It is.
Yeah, but so you see the flower now.
Yeah, it's on the white background. It looks so weird. All right, so now I'm gonna really quick 10-second here. And we're gonna do some dress it up, some others. I'm buffing the other nails. I'm so excited because I get pure white. It's so beautiful and I wanted it for my acrylics collection.
Hey, schematic, how you doing?
Hey Isabel. I'm gonna see you ladies shortly. So I gotta finish this one more nails. I'm excited to see all the beautiful faces. All right, so now we're gonna move on again. More condensed glue gel, and this time I'm gonna apply it on the nails because we're gonna add some crystals on.
Yes, and I guess very quick note for anybody using a condensed glue gel for the first time, they are thick. They're supposed to be thick so they can keep all your 3D art, like you see the 3 flower there, and any kind of bigger stone stay right there, and if you do small stone, they will never fall off.
Yeah.
And make sure you gotta apply properly. And usually people tend to get a big lump on the first try. Don't get a big lump when this thing is thick.
The smaller go a long way. And then we're gonna do a white top coat.
And lady mine from YouTube. So for this, so that's the second step right now. So you want to do condensed first, then the top coat of your choice. Usually you can do no white top coat, a matte top coat, And when you have your design ready, you can adjust your design as much as you want before you cure. Once you cure, it's 60 seconds.
I'm gonna coat my pearl as well. Oh, I love things as 3 flowers together. Really cool. All right. Let's see what we have in here. What is offer us? Like a cat eyes.
Like a moonstone.
Like a moonstone cat eyes. I'm gonna get some of my frame. I'm just using my frame to add it on. This really stays stuck well with the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat. I'm gonna add a couple frames on. Really cute. I feel like I'm still missing something. This red crystal, so cute. There you go. And one more. I'm so excited and having fun with this. Can you tell? I'm gonna fill it in here. There you go. Can add some beads on. I'm so excited to play with this subscription box. Add some beads in here. More beads. You can leave it alone, you'll be done. If you want to, I just want to add just a couple more beads on. That's all. Alright. I think this is good. Alright, I'm happy with this. Look at the moon's stones, like a cat eyes looks the stone. It looks stunning.